Hey guys, what's happening? How to forward voice messages on Instagram. First of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and make sure that you updated your Instagram to the latest version. Now what you're gonna do, open it up, right? And you're gonna just go ahead and click your DMs at the top right. Okay? Now what you're gonna do, go ahead to your DMs, right? And then click the blank right here to see the options or the tools. You can see the mic right here. You can also see picture. You can also see send replies or save replies, excuse me, and the plus button right here to add GIFs or stickers, right? So you're gonna go ahead and click the mic right here and you're gonna start recording, right? By clicking on it, you're gonna start recording and say what you want and then forward it immediately. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.